Welcome to part 4. A game isn't complete without challenges. In this step, we'll add cars that move across the screen and changes costume for variety. And the first thing I'm going to do is to upload my car. Pick car 1. Open. Then I'll go to costume. It has imported it. Okay. So I'll go to costume. I'll upload costume and pick 2 costume. That's car 2 and car 3. Now I'm going to convert to vector, convert to vector 2, and convert to vector. Now I'm going to reduce the size to 50. I'm going to drag it down here. Now I'll go back to my code tab, and the first thing we're going to do now is to make the car move across the screen. So pick forever, pick control in events, forever from control. When we do green flag click from events, in looks we're going to pick, go to front layer, and put the forever under it, and then we're going to go to motion and pick go to XY. Now inside, once we've picked this already, we're now going to drag this to the edge of the screen like this, and then pick glide 1 second to X and Y, but we'll change this to 3. Now we should test this. You can see the next we need to do now is to change the costume of our car. Go to control, get forever, pick forever, go to events, pick when green flag clicked, go to looks, pick switch costume, then go back to control and pick wait 1 second. So I'll change this to 1, I'll duplicate this, I'll change this to 2, I'll duplicate this, I'll change this to 3, I'll change this to 3, and this should be 3, and this should be 3. And now we should test. You can see that we have been able to make our car move across the screen and also change color. Perfect. Now our cars are moving obstacles. In the next part, we'll add a game over screen that shows up when the motorcycle crashes. See you in the next video.